Hello and welcome to Home Dance Lesson Series. My name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we will do Waltz, a running spin turn in Waltz. First of all we will do running spin with technical details, and after that we will do routine which is suitable to your home or to any small room like here. Let's go. Running spin turn, man's steps. Man starts with a right foot, but before we start, structure-wise, running spin turn consists of three parts. First part is 3 steps of natural turn, then is 1 step natural pivot, and then 3 steps open natural turn. So man starts with right foot, forward to side, close and lower. This is first part. Second part is just 1 step, pivot on left ball of foot and keep right foot in front. So this is second part. And third part is open natural turn, forward to side and back. Open natural turn means that third step is not close but open, meaning back in this case. Again, man steps with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. When we count 1, 2 and 3, the beat value is 1 is full beat, 2 and half beat, and 3 is of course again full beat. Now from opposite direction with teaching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close and lower into left foot. Now next part is 1 step is pivoting action. So step forward and pivoting action. Again, step forward and pivoting action. Now open natural turn, back to side and forward. With teaching count, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. From opposite direction, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now about footwork. There is tricky thing when about man steps. When man is pivoting, this footwork with left foot is described in book toe heel toe. So here is toe heel toe. Actually that means we turn on toe and then ball of foot, and then heel is lightly touching the floor and again is lifting up. So toe heel toe, if you want to think very simply, is just turn on ball of foot with heel lightly touching the floor. Again, and whoosh, and heel is lightly touching the floor. Now about ladies steps, after ladies pivoting action, which is heel toe is footwork. Now lady goes on toe. So it's not toe heel, is toe 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 heel. That's again small trick for lady. And now we go to routine. Man steps. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, pivot and forward to side, back. Now we will do outside change to promenade, back in CBMP, back to side in promenade. Now we will dance, let's say, against line of dance, reverse figure, which is weave from promenade position. Forward in promenade, forward to side, back in CBMP, back to side in promenade. Now we will do hover corte from promenade position, 2 bars. So we go forward in promenade to side. Now we hold position, we rise up, and then we transfer weight back to right foot. And last figure, outside change. Back in CBMP, back to side and slightly forward. And from beginning we can do from this corner. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, running spin turn, back to side, close, forward and pivoting action, back to side, forward. Now outside change to promenade, forward outside partner, forward to side in promenade. Now against line of dance, we dance reverse figure, which is weave from promenade position. Forward in promenade to side, forward outside partner, forward to side in promenade. And now we will do hover corte from promenade position. Forward in promenade to side, slide turn, brush left foot to right foot, and step diagonally forward. And last figure is outside change. Forward outside partner, forward and to side and slightly back. From beginning, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And now let's do this thing to music. Lady steps. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Without your love and your support, it wouldn't be possible for me to continue to do free dance lessons. So thank you. And if you want to join us, you're very welcomed. And if you want to have online private dance lessons, watch till the end. And now, my friends, stay healthy, stay home, and keep dancing.